Welcome to Everyday Mysteries, where we uncover the fascinating tales hidden in the everyday objects around us. I'm your host, Ethan Carter, diving into the secrets that shaped our world, one object at a time. Let's explore what's hidden in plain sight. Today, we're setting off on a two-wheel journey to trace the evolution of the bicycle. Strap on your helmets and let's start pedaling through history. The story of the bicycle is as much about innovation as it is about mobility. It all started back in the early 19th century with the Draisini, also known as the hobbyhorse. Invented by Baron Karl von Drais, this contraption had no pedals and required riders to push it along with their feet. Imagine the sight of well-dressed gentlemen and ladies scooting along cobblestone streets. But the bicycle's journey was just getting started. The introduction of pedals in the 1860s transformed the Draisine into what we might start to recognize as a bicycle. This version was called the Velocipede, but it wasn't exactly a smooth ride. Made entirely of wood and iron, it earned the nickname Bone Shaker for its jarring rides over the rough roads of that era. As technology advanced, so did the bicycle. The 1870s saw the rise of the high wheeler, where the front wheel grew dramatically larger than the back. These bicycles were faster, thanks to the larger wheel, but they also posed a higher risk of accidents. Riders sat high up in the air and toppled over easily. The safety bicycle, which debuted in the late 19th century, changed everything. With its two wheels of equal size and the addition of gears and pneumatic tires, the bicycle became safer and easier to ride. This design is the direct ancestor of today's modern bike. Beyond technology, bicycles played a pivotal role in social change. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, bicycles became a symbol of freedom and emancipation for women, giving them mobility and a measure of independence that was previously unthinkable. They also played a role in democratizing transport for the working class, providing a cheap and reliable way to get to work or explore the countryside. Today, as we grapple with environmental concerns and urban congestion, the bicycle is experiencing a renaissance as a sustainable mode of transport, beloved by urban commuters and rural riders alike. Thanks for joining me on today's journey into the past. Remember, there's wonder all around us, just waiting to be discovered. Subscribe to stay updated with our weekly mysteries and more curious finds. This is Ethan Carter, signing off until next time.